Well, I'm just going back here, you know. Just look at my dog and Junks here. What the? That's a horrible sound. Philip, you playing that accordion again? To the mailbox!
What?
Get up! To the mailbox! Now! Mailbox! Mailbox! Go to the mailbox! I said to the mailbox! Go! Go to the mailbox! Not gonna stop! Go to the mailbox! You dummy! Why have we told you about playing that accordion up here? It's only allowed to play it at the mailbox. I don't know what got into him. Philip, go up the road some.
You do not have to be at the mailbox. Come on this side of the driveway. Take this to Miss Donna.
No, he has to.